I almost didn't make a video for the pricing page, but I felt it was important to discuss this with you. So, what you need to know about how much money it's going to take for you to invest in your online presence before it really starts creating results for your business, like really healthy ROI, you're going to have to make a pretty significant investment. So this is what I found. It takes a budget of $1,500 for us to make a noticeable difference at all with your online presence. At the end of the day, you got to understand we are marketing your business to the world on the internet. So it is probably something you want to invest in as far as your marketing goes. And it's evergreen. Think about it. You print postcards, they get mailed, they get thrown away at that person's house. You do a door hanger, you do business cards, all of this stuff just goes away eventually. You know, your website will always be online as long as you renew your domain and hosting, right? So there's very little cost to keep your website up, and once your website gets to the top of Google, it typically stays there for a very long time. Because to get to the top of Google means you had to do a bunch of stuff right? So the chances that you're going to do a bunch of stuff right and then your competitors are going to be like, oh crap, we got to outdo them and do that really, really quickly, the chances are slim to none. So $1,500 is our basic minimum to get a new client results, right? That could be starting from scratch, you need a website built, or that could be you have an existing website and you probably got screwed by another web agency, or you built it yourself and none of the stuff that needed to be done was done, and it probably needs to be rebuilt, or that would be the most efficient option to get you headed in the right direction online. So getting results on the internet, it's not an instant thing. SEO, for example, takes 3 to 6 months. You can Google that right now. How long does SEO take? And Google will pop up right at the top of the search results, 3 to 6 months. Everything's going to be delayed on the internet, with the exception of ads. Ads will get you instantly to the top of the search results, right? But as far as, forget about ads, I'm not talking about your ad budget here. To get you organic, which just means not paying for ads, to get you organic results consistently, it's going to take an investment of $6,000 to $10,000 over a period of years. So this is not a yearly thing. I would recommend spending $6,000 a year on your internet presence. That's what I did in my personal business before I sold it and started this web agency. And we grew very, very fast. It allowed me to build and sell my business. So $1,500 to get started. Then really, like 3 to 6 months later, it would be very, very wise to invest another $1,500 into optimizing your website per the data that's been collected thus far. Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google My Business Insights, Bing Webmaster Tools, all of that kind of data will give you great insight. And I would also suggest running ads at least temporarily to get the insight for SEO from your Google Ads account, because that is actually the best place, or it's arguable where the best place to get the information for your SEO is. But definitely all of Google's products, which are free minus Google Ads, are great places. Google Ads even has Google Keyword Planner built into it, but you don't actually get all of the data unless you are actively paying Google for ads when you're using the tool. So if I can clarify anything about how our pricing works, please contact me. I tried to put it on all of the pages, but you know, if it's not clear to you or you're unsure or whatever, just call me and let's talk about it, or shoot me an email. But what I don't want you to do is be afraid of the cost of investing in your website and online presence, because it will honestly pay itself back to you many times over. We do everything by the book. We're gonna get your results. It's just gonna be a matter of time, because things on the internet take a little bit of time, minus the ads. So we love complementing our SEO and web services with ads to get our clients results very quickly, and then once the organic side builds up, then we can lower the ad budget down and, you know, keep our clients in a healthy marketing budget position where they're not financially strained or anything like that, and the marketing is actually bringing in more dollars to their business than they are forking out. That's good marketing, in my opinion. If you would like us to market your business, contact me.